So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to set up Bitbucket and integrate with the VS Code. So guys, for setting the Bitbucket and integrated with the VS Code, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, we take the help of extensions. Here you see there is an options at just left side of your task manager. Here you go. Here you simply zoom it. Okay, now here you search the extension in the marketplace. So basically extension helps to give some extra power that your Visual Studio have not. Okay, so first of all you simply go and search the Bitbucket, sorry. Okay, and guys, after that guys, make sure that the company name, so at lines in, it's under your bit bucket. Also, if you still confused, so guys, here you can check the downloads. So guys, this is the open GitHub bit bucket, and this is for the Zira Rovo DevOps. Okay, so you choose any of them. Both are very famous, and 4.8 4 point sorry guys 4.3 million view downloads of this extension. And if you check this, so it's around 3.2 million. Okay, so you choose any of them according to your requirements and according to your mm, project need. So you simply press the publisher and install. So it will take around 5 to 10 seconds to install. When it is installed, so you use it. Okay, so guys, this is the way that you can do. And guys, here you see your Jira work item, and here is your bit bucket pull request. So you basically logged in here and you just enjoy. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.